Welcome to Party of Six. Today, I found a show, and Daddy got me a hat.
We're going to talk to you about some Class C bunkhouses we saw, and what's exciting about this is they're all under $100,000.
Even better.
So this is a Jayco Redhawk 31F. The sale price is $78,800.
This is bigger than I expected.
Hi! I'm driving the yard up here. What? Sorry, somebody's driving right now, so you can't.
It is a lot bigger than I expected.
Somebody's
Yeah,
driving
that's why I
right now,
picked it.
so...
Well, it's a good thing you looked into it.
I wasn't expecting this to be this way.
It's 2 bunks. Looks like a queen in the back. It actually has quite a bit of storage back here too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers and a cabinet. Pretty big wardrobe too.
Somebody has to get in their seatbelts because I'm getting old. How come I can't believe him? I'm gonna leave. So Becky,
Oh, it goes all the way through. That's nice.
Yeah. A little bit of pantry space.
It's a pretty deep too.
How
Yeah.
come he's... Oh, there's a lot.
I'm presently impressed.
This is pretty cool.
This is bigger than I expected.
Especially for $78,000.
Yeah.
That's a big bed up there.
And storage back here. Let me see how deep it is. Oh wow, this is actually really deep.
It's on the Ford F
Wow.
or
Big. I actually got a
450
pair.
chassis.
And 3 things of storage. 1, 2, 3. These pillows come with the
So Bray, the only thing that's missing is your window.
window that he wants.
Yes. He wants that top bunk with the window.
Yeah.
This is pretty comfortable. I would sleep. Good night. Good night, everybody. I'm gonna sleep.
TV.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mom.
Okay, let's go look at this precept.
Okay. I'll get down my line.
So we have a Freelander Class C. It's the 30BH. Lots of room in here. I was impressed. So you have your overcap bunk when the heat is blaring. It's built on the 450 chassis. But a nice, you don't see these big couches a lot of times in Class C's. I'm assuming it's a jackknife. Yeah, it's a jackknife sofa. And your bed, your dinette would also go down. Actually, your dinette doesn't go down. I'm not 100% sure if the dinette goes down. Little kitchen area. What's neat about this, I like about a lot of the Class C's, is you get the double dinette bunk. So this top bunk folds down. This bottom one folds into a dinette. Interesting shower or bathroom. Not a huge shower. It looks like it's a 24-inch shower.
Woo, look at the heat on
Yeah.
here. Jeez, for size.
And then your living area. It's a good amount of storage, nice wardrobe, especially because you don't have any storage over the bunk or in the bunk area. So not a lot of room for clothes.
Yeah. Oh my God.
So this is a Conquest 63111C bunkhouse Class C. So little bunks, a little bit of storage, not a lot of space. Now this is a little Class C, decent sized bathroom, pretty good sized shower. a typical Class C, but look at the storage space up front. This is what I kind of liked. You have all these cabinets, so you don't have that curved roof here, which sometimes is nice. The boys like it because sometimes they put a window here, but you get a good amount of storage. And the sale price on this one's $96,000. It's a nice option. It's a Conquest by Gulfstream, built on the Ford E450 chassis.